that the holidays are over now, but I also know that it can get so busy getting to and from all of those different events, and that sometimes you end up with a post-holiday mess. And today that is exactly what I am cleaning up. So if you need a little bit of motivation to get things back in order, this is the video for you. Whenever I am tackling a big mess, one of the first things I like to do is to clear off my counters. The reason I do this is I get very easily overwhelmed, and by making some visual space, it makes it so much easier. It also helps me to push through and be able to give everything a really good deep clean, whilst also moving those things back to their homes. If you have a dishwasher, this has to be one of the best ways to really quickly deal with a lot of mess. I am always surprised at how much better things look even just with the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. If you are washing by hand, you can still get this really quick and easy cleanup by just making sure that all of your dirty dishes are in one place. One of the things that I can be guilty of is falling into the dishwasher trap, however. And so what I call the dishwasher trap is those things that maybe shouldn't go in the dishwasher or are too big to fit in or need a little bit of a soak. It's so easy to just leave them on our counter. So I push myself to make sure that at the very least I only have clean things when I'm finished with a space. Don't give my counters a full wipe down every single time I'm cleaning it, but at least once a day I do like to move things out of the way, maybe not the entire bench, but at least something, and clean underneath it. So today I am deep cleaning my coffee machine and underneath it, and just getting rid of any of those marks. I just find if you get in and deep clean your counters at least once a week under every appliance, you'll make sure you've got no hidden nasties hiding under there. I often get asked about what cleaning supplies I use, and to be honest, I am a little bit of a switcher. I can fall for that cleaning aisle every single time, but my go-tos are always hot water, dish soap, and gumption. If you live in Australia, you'll probably know what gumption is, but if you don't, it's very similar to the pink stuff. It's just like a sort of abrasive cleaner that's still gentle enough to use on most surfaces. Over the holidays, our stoves and our ovens certainly get a workout, and so now is a great opportunity to give them a bit of a deep clean. I am not a huge fan of my gas stove. I really miss my induction heat cooktop because it was infinitely easier to clean. But this is what I have, so I am super grateful for it. But now I am just taking off all of those knobs and all those little pieces that come on a gas cooktop, giving them a good clean so that I know that everything is back, reset and ready to go. One of my tips for any shiny surfaces is to use a glass cleaning cloth to give it that streak-free shine. I feel like this bedroom is the perfect representation of my mind in the post-holidays. A broken lamp, a very sweet little girl with a broken foot. While we are cleaning, we are watching the Dr. Seuss Bake Off, which just seems like the perfect thing to do post-holidays. But one of my tips, if you have all of that post-holiday stuff lying around, is to grab some baskets and just start sorting into like clothes, stuff that needs a new home. This will just help to create some space and make you feel much less overwhelmed. Now, you can't always complete all of the jobs all of the time, but I like to just try and get one little extra thing done when I'm cleaning a room, and then I know eventually we'll get there. I feel like our bathrooms get an extra workout over the holidays, just when we have extra guests, and I feel like also just the toing and froing. I end up moving some of my kids to using my bathroom if we have guests, so a deep clean is just a great way to reset everything. It's also a great opportunity to make sure if you go through and any of those new Christmas things that you've got, you can move them in and use up what you've already got lying around. This is also a gentle reminder that if you are feeling overwhelmed, it's completely okay to take some shortcuts. I'm actually using my disposable mop because I was short on time, and I'm just going to be gracious to myself and know that I don't do it all the time, but sometimes you just have to take the easy way out. I don't know if it's just me, but over the holidays, I feel like I end up with bedding in almost every room of the house and rarely on an actual bed. It just seems to be the way it goes. And so one of the things I like to do just to restore order for my own mind is just get some of those things packed up, get these rooms reset. Even if there's things get pulled out the next day, at least I have had that space clean and clear, even if it's just for a little while. Kindness yet for all One of my absolute golden rules when it comes to cleaning is to clean from the top down. And so what I do last when I'm cleaning is I pick up everything ready for my robot, knowing that all of that dust and all that extra stuff that just seems to come with Christmas, including fake snow, will be on the ground ready for my robot to come and suck it up and mop afterwards. I hope you have had an amazing holiday season. I so appreciate you. And if you would like to start 2023 with less stuff and more freedom, please click on the link down below and come and join our January challenge, where we are doing bite-sized challenges every single day for January 2023.